You see them? They just love this stuff. So when you anytime in the fields that you want to feed your ducks healthy way, this is what you need to find, okay? You take these little beds, because normally only swans can reach this, because they have a longer necks. So I saw them always, you know, reaching for her, right? That's it. And then, see, they love that. And then you just like sprinkle, just like that, so. And they love this stuff. That's it. No bread, only that. Oh, you. Oh, fighting. Even ducks are fighting.